myself, so I fade to black. But if I can't really take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all wash away, from the night to the day you dream.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I just wanted to give you a quick update of my summer refresh for my lounge and my living room. Not much has changed since spring, but I have brought in pops of green and plants to give my home that summer feel. So, if you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating with style, on a budget, and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. I love the restoration hardware vibe, so you will see themes of that throughout my home. So, sit back, enjoy. And if you are not yet a family member, I hope you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So let's get on with the summer refresh tour.
Bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I can't really take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all wash away.
This room pretty much the same. All I did was change out the pillows and add more greenery to the room. You guys know I love the black and white aesthetic, and I've just added pops of green throughout my home for summer.
Desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I can't really take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all wash away, from the night to the day you dream. You forgive my mistake, it becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame, from the night to the day you dream. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I can't forgive my mistakes, it becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame, from the night to the day you dream. Ooh.
stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah, yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. 'Cause I got a rule.